Hello everyone, we are here today at Animal Kingdom Villa's Kidani Village where we have a 2-bedroom Savanna view room. This room sleeps up to 9 people and has plenty of space for everyone to spread out, enjoy themselves, and be comfortable.
And it has a third bathroom, which is really unusual for these 2-bedroom villas. Normally they only have 2, but the rooms here at Kidani Village and the ones over at Bay Lake Tower as well have the extra third bathroom, which is really great when you have a lot of people staying here. So we're really excited to check out the room.
Here we go.
When we first enter into the room here, on our right, we have a closet that also has our laundry in it. Because here in the Disney Vacation Club rooms, every 1-bedroom or larger does have in-room laundry facilities. So we've got a stackable washer dryer there, a couple bottles of laundry soap, and then there is a basket and some storage space in the closet as well. And then behind me, we have the extra bathroom, that third bathroom that I mentioned. This is a full bathroom. You've got the single vanity in here with a smaller countertop. Not a ton of space, but you do have some storage down underneath. Of course, you also have your toilet and your tub. And this is a tub and shower. You can see we've got the shower head in there as well. Some cool art on these tiles all the way around. Looks pretty awesome. And they do have those refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash bottles in here. Now heading back out into the main part of the room, you come in here, we have our kitchen and dining room and living room, which we'll come back to here in just a minute. Right now we're going to head into the second bedroom portion of the room. So we've got a little hallway kind of area here. To our right is just a picture on the wall and then a small closet here where you can store suitcases and hang clothes, things like that. And then we have a bathroom that is dedicated for this second bedroom here. There is a door that closes it off, so you've got your own private bathroom. Fairly large vanity in here, just a single sink there, but you have a ton of counter space, as well as storage down underneath, a couple drawers where you'll find your hair dryer and things like that, and the additional shelf right up there. So you have a lot of space in here in this second bathroom on the bedroom. There is a tub and a shower in here, so you've got the shower head and again with the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then we've got some safari animals on the tile around here. None that I recognize, not yet. We've got some recognizable animals a little further in. And then your toilet is in its own room right over here with a separate door, so you can close that off as well. And then heading into the bedroom, we have another closet. Lots and lots of storage space here in this room. You've got a shelf in there and a closet rod, just another place you can put your suitcases and things. And then in the bedroom itself, we have 2 queen-size beds, so you can have 4 people in this room. And you've got some pretty tapestries hanging up behind the beds there. And on our left, we also have a little bench over here that has a large drawer in it that you can pull out. Those are always nice to have a little extra storage space there. We've got a dresser with a couple drawers on top and some cabinet space down below. You have your TV built into the dresser, and you also have some USB and wall outlets built into the dresser there. Lots of places to charge your devices in this room because there on the dresser you have some. We have a set over here on the nightstand in between the 2 beds right there. And then we also have a set of outlets here on the desk over to the left. So we've got a desk here with some wall outlets and USBs on there. And on the carvings on the desk, if you look closely, you'll see we have our hidden Mickey here in this room. It's the only place we were able to find one. We've got one here on this desk and one in the master as well. And this room does have its own set of sliding doors because with this Savanna view room, you want to be able to go out and enjoy the Savanna. So you've got a huge balcony here. There's a couple chairs out here. Doesn't go very far that way, but if you look over to the left, it actually goes the length of the entire room. So you've got some chairs out here to sit on. This kind of can be shared for the entire room. It's great. And of course, with that Savanna view, we have a phenomenal view. Looks like we've got giraffe. The giraffe was over further away and they decided to come this way. They kind of rotate around the Savanna as the day goes on. We'll head back into the kitchen and living room areas. As with all of the one bedroom and larger villas, we have a full kitchen here in the room. This one actually happens to have a little bar area with some bar stools as well. And then we have our living room, which has a couple pull-out beds we'll show you in just a moment, and our dining room table area. There's a bench on the one side and then a couple chairs over here. And the chairs have a really awesome carving of Mufasa in it. And I also need to point out the feet of the table. Look at that. They used hooves for the feet. Like, that's literal feet on the table. That's pretty cool. Now in the kitchen we have a dishwasher and a sink. We also have a full-size fridge and freezer, a oven and a stove. We have a microwave. We've got a full-size coffee maker. Of course, all the coffee and things as well. And we have a toaster. And then in the cabinets, you'll find everything you need, from cups and mugs. Down below, we have plates and bowls and pots and pans. We also have silverware here in the drawer, so a fully stocked kitchen for anything you need to cook while you're here on vacation. Now in the living room, we've got a very large TV over there on the wall above the dresser. You've got some more of those USB and wall outlets built into the dresser here, as well as an animal you may recognize, Simba. A little carving of baby Simba. Well, I guess grown-up Simba, because he has his mane there. So really cute carving there. And then, of course, just different animals carved into the drawers of the dresser. I love the furniture here and all the detail they put into it. We have a chair here that pulls out into a twin-size bed. And then on the other side, we have our couch, which pulls out into a queen-size bed. And we'll show you those here in just a minute. Then we head in here to our master bedroom. The master bedroom is a king-size bed, and we have a couple lamps on either side that are some of my favorite lamps in any of the Walt Disney World resorts, because they have a giant ostrich egg just sitting there on the lamp. It's pretty awesome. We'll come back and see some details here in the room in just a minute. We also have a master bathroom suite here. You can see we've got a very large bathroom, lots and lots of space. We've got a little closet in the bathroom, and this is where you're going to find your in-room safe down there on the ground. We also have our iron and ironing board in here, as well as extra pillows and blankets for those pull-out beds in the living room. This room also has a jacuzzi tub, or a jetted tub, right over here. Pretty good size compared to some of the ones that we've seen. Very large tub there, and the tile work on the wall is a beautiful sunrise on the Savanna with some silhouettes that you may recognize. Looks familiar. Now next to our tub, we do have a walk-in shower as well. So you can see this is a really good sized walk-in shower. There is a small bench on the other side. We've got the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Another piece of that Savanna sunrise scene. No characters I really recognize in there though. And then our shower head is built into the wall over here. They don't have one of the overhead rainfall style shower heads in here, but they do have that one. Now our vanity is a single vanity. It's actually a little bit smaller than the one in the second bathroom, but you got plenty of storage space down underneath. A lot of space up here on the countertop as well, so plenty of room there, and the additional smaller shelf just above that. And then over here to our left is going to be your full-length mirror on the door that closes off the little room for the toilet there. Now we're going to turn around and take a look at the master bedroom. Just a couple details in here. Each of these nightstands does have more of those USB and wall outlets built in, and they also have them on the dresser back over here behind me. We've got Simba and Nala on the headboard. Really, really cute carving there. This is the same dresser we have in the other bedroom that has the USB outlets built in and has the TV built in as well. And we also have another one of those desks like they have in the other room that has all the carvings all over the legs and the hidden Mickey carved right into it. And we'll head out on the balcony and take a look there. They also stuck a little chair in the corner there, so you've got somewhere to sit here in the room besides at the desk. And I will say the view here is one of the highlights of any Savanna view room at either Kidani Village or Jumbo House. We absolutely love just sitting out here on the balcony, especially first thing in the morning when the animals are really active usually. It's just beautiful. And we'll head over here into the living room just to show you the beds pulled out. So here in the living room, we've got a pull-out queen bed, which we mentioned, the couch there, and then we also have a twin with the chair. So it gets a little bit more crowded here in the living room when you pull out both of those beds, but still plenty of space. Even if you had the full 9 people staying here, it's not too bad. And so that is going to conclude our tour here of the 2-bedroom Savanna View Villa at Animal Kingdom Villa's Kidani Village.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have about this room. We're happy to answer those. And of course, subscribe to our channel so you know when more of these videos come out.
And if you'd like more information on the Walt Disney World resorts or Walt Disney World in general, head over to our website, herewiththeears.com. You can find tons of information over there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.